Welcome to 7th grade. I am so glad you are here. This short video will provide you with some helpful tips on how to be successful this school year. First, let me introduce myself. I am Miss Robinette, and we will be getting to know each other over the course of this school year. Here are some facts about me to give you some insight into who I am. This is my 6th year teaching 7th grade math at Stover Middle School. I coach volleyball with Miss Lindley Jones, and I'm known as Stover's biggest fan when it comes to sports and activities. Football, basketball, wrestling, archery, quiz bowl. If you play it or participate in it, I will be there to cheer you on. Even if you only play racquetball, I'll still come cheer you on. I grew up in a small town called Bowling Green. Bowling Green is in northwest Ohio. BG was a great place to grow up. After I graduated high school, I stayed in Bowling Green and attended Bowling Green State University. Here's a picture of my mom, my sister, me, my brothers, and my dad. I've always enjoyed helping others. Growing up as the oldest child to my 3 younger siblings, I've always had someone looking up to me. I was always babysitting and helping with homework, in addition to doing my own. My parents and brothers live in Ohio, and my sister lives in Indianapolis, Indiana. Even though I live far away from them, being able to spend time with these people is one of my favorite things to do. Enough about me. The title of this video is 7th grade survival guide. So take notes, listen, and together we can have the best year ever. Here's my first tip for you. Come prepared. Coming to class prepared means that you always need to bring a pencil because it erases. It also means that you need to do your homework and bring your homework back to class, even if you didn't try it. Lastly, being prepared means be ready to participate and answer questions. Tip number 2. You have the best chance at being a successful student in the 21st century with all of the different ways that we have to communicate. Remind, this is by far the most convenient for students and parents. You sign up one time and you're set to receive messages anytime the teacher sends one out. If you're 13 or older, you can text the teacher first if you have a question about the homework or an assignment. After Remind is email. This is easier for us teachers because on our end, it only takes a few seconds to reply to an email, and most people get email on their cell phone. Lastly, Instagram. If you're on IG, follow me, Math with Class. I share advice, homework tips, and it's another direct way to ask for help. Fair warning, I will probably ask for a picture of what you've done so far if you come to me for homework help. So don't come empty-handed. Tip number 3. Math is an acronym for mistakes allow thinking to happen. Making mistakes is all part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to mess up. I will praise your effort just for trying. Together, we can work together to find and fix the error that you're making. I would rather see you try and fail than not try at all. I know, that just might be the teacher in me. Lastly, I ask that you be kind, caring, and humble young people. Welcome new students with open arms, sit with different people at lunch, and make new friends at recess. And of course, always follow the golden rule of treat others how you want to be treated.